listeners are sending in all these emails and letters and also regularly. Maybe once in a while some letter or some email might get missed out. Please do pardon us for that.
Yes.
We have got a few emails this time with our listeners saying that they never got a reply for it. Well, it's our...
I'm sure we did give them a live reply.
It's our best endeavor to do justice to all the emails and letters that we receive on this program.
On that note, Sanjeev, we go to Japan with this letter that has come in by snail mail, and the sender is Fujisa Yamasaki from Ikoma City, Nara, Japan, and he's 51 years old. And the reception report, he says, "Dear sir, I'm pleased to inform you that I have listened to your radio broadcast. The details of reception report is as follows. I hope this report will be of some value to you. He heard All India Radio on 11,620 kilohertz on the 6th of April 2013. In the English language, the weather, he says, was rain. And it was from 20:58 to 22:10 hours UTC. On Sunday, the 7th of April, Japan Standard Time was 05:58 to 7:10. Well, that's sunrise time in Japan. A lot of our listeners write in and tell us. And then you can see Sanjeev has given us the program details, and he's also written sitar in the Devanagari script. If you can see that.
Right.
And he says, since I can seldom understand English, I feel sorry for an abstract statement. Well, we can understand what you're trying to say. And then he goes on to give us a simple rating of 55444 to 55433. This is for 11,620 kilohertz in the 25-meter band. The broadcast of this time zone of yours is of a signal strength is powerful, and since it does not have influence of interference, the reception condition is very good. Although noise and propagation disturbances occur, and it may sometimes be hard to listen to, there is no influence in listening comprehension of the contents of broadcast, and the reception condition is good in general.
Right, absolutely. Yes.
And he goes on to say that I received the overseas services broadcasting from about 30 years now. I'm sometimes hearing your broadcast from the time your broadcast is always satisfactory in Japan. I guess the receiving...
It's our transmission directed to Australia and New Zealand and not to your region. The transmissions to your region are between 10 and 11 UTC, and then from 22:45 to 00:45 hours UTC. And as far as broadcasting on internet is concerned, yes, we are already having an internet presence. In fact, this transmission that you have tuned into is available on the internet. You can go to www. It's very easy to find All India Radio there, and that will be our broadcast, which is totally via shortwave mostly.
It's a recording of the broadcast which goes on air from 20:45 to 22:30.
The one that he has tuned into.
Yes.
So here I'd like to tell you that definitely